you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Latitude Luxe in bright white. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P8215.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.